Teach children clear moral values. To know right from wrong. Para buong buhay dala nila. Proverbs 22:6, teach your children right from wrong, and when they are grown up, they will still do right. Yung mga ibang magulang, mag-aasawa na yung anak, o lalayo, magtatrabaho, ilang taon na, 24, 23, 22, 27. Huwag na kayong mag-alala kung naturuan nyo ng tama yan buong bata, hindi na niya yun ihiwalayan. Nasa kanya na yun, siya na yun. Maligaw man ng konti, madapa man ng konti, lumihis man ng landas ng konti lang, hindi sobrang lalayo at bumabalik din. Kasi siya na yon. How do you make up for times that you missed to teach them because they were not with you when they were children? Kaya malaki pong dagok sa buhay ng ating lipunan